Hi, I'm Victoria, and let me show you these shirts that I made. This is a size small, obviously, and this is a medium. I'm about 138, 5'4", maybe 135, I don't know. So here's a size large, for example, and this is what I keep stepping over because it looks like I'm stepping over something, which I am. Size extra large. It gets a little longer and loose on me as the size goes up, but that's fine. This is just for reference. I'm usually a size small or medium in everything, but I could really wear any of these sizes. Just kind of depends on what I'm doing, what am I doing? Okay, that's a 3X. Again, just a little bit more room. Really cute. They're pre-shrunk, and these are available on my website at batikwala.com. Thanks for watching.